Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables. That's from here until there. Dad, Ain, and Ghain. It is on page number 14 and 15 of Al-Qaeda Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first syllable we have is Dad Fatha Alif Sukoon. Dad is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and Alif has hidden Sukoon. Dad Fatha Alif Sukoon, Da. Dad Fatha Alif Sukoon, Da. Dad Fatha Alif Sukoon, Da. The next syllable we have is Dad Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Dad is a heavy letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Dad Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Du. Dad Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Du. Dad Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Du. The next syllable we have is Dad Kasra Ya Sukoon. Dad is a heavy letter, it has kasra underneath, it is followed by ya, and ya has hidden sukoon. Dad kasra ya sukoon, di. Dad kasra ya sukoon, di. Dad kasra ya sukoon, di. So we have all 3 syllables. Da, du, di. Da, du. The next syllable we have is Ain Fatha Alif Sukoon. Ain is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and Alif has hidden Sukoon. Ain Fatha Alif Sukoon, A. Ain Fatha Alif Sukoon, A. Ain Fatha Alif Sukoon, A. The next syllable we have is Ain Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Ain is a light letter, is held Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw, and Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Ain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, U. Ain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, U. Ain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, U. The next syllable we have is Ain Kasra Ya Sukoon. Ain is a light letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and this Ya has hidden Sukoon. Ain Kasra Ya Sukoon, I. Ain Kasra Ya Sukoon, I. Ain Kasra Ya Sukoon, I. A. U. I. A. U. I. The next syllable we have is Ghain Fatha Alif Sukoon. Ghain is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif, and this Alif has hidden Sukoon. Ghain Fatha Alif Sukoon, Gha. Ghain Fatha Alif Sukoon, Gha. Ghain Fatha Alif Sukoon, Gha. The next syllable we have is Ghain Dhamma Waw Sukoon. Ghain is a heavy letter, it has Dhamma on top of it, it is followed by Waw. Waw has hidden Sukoon, and this Alif is silent. Ghain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Ghu. Ghain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Ghu. Ghain Dhamma Waw Sukoon, Ghu. The next syllable we have is Ghain Kasra Ya Sukoon. Ghain is a heavy letter, it has Kasra underneath, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has hidden Sukoon. Ghain Kasra Ya Sukoon, Ghi. Ghain Kasra Ya Sukoon, Ghi. Ghain Kasra Ya Sukoon, Ghi. Gha. Ghu. Ghi. Gha. Ghu. Ghi. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Da. Du. Di. Da. Du. Di. A. U. I. ع عو عي غا غو غي غا غو غي. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 9 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.